Welcome back. That's what we're looking at. Let's look at what we're working on. It's a 2005 Honda. It's a Rincon 650. So we're just going to do a spark plug, oil, and oil filter, and an air filter. So for those of you that don't know, put it on the right way. So it sits like this. We're also going to do a battery. So this is under your seat. Seat sits like that. So right back here, just pull up on that little lever, and your seat comes up. And you have that guy right there. Four of those clips. And then on this one, the clamps of Phillips. That is the filter we're using. This is our spark plug, NGK iridium laser. Our old one. Spark plug. Sits down in there. Focus right there. So you just grab this. That guy right there, that's your wire. Just grab that and pull it up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to pull this filter. You do have a filter cage / spark arrestor in there, so we'll go ahead and pull that out and slide it over the new filter. So there she is. Now some people oil these, some people don't. If you're going to be in a dusty environment, just oil them quick. So I'm going to go ahead and go oil this. I'll show you what I use. You can use this stuff. There is a company that actually makes some aerosol stuff. We use a lot of the aerosol stuff on the dirt bikes, but I don't have any currently. So it doesn't take a whole lot. I just kind of throw some on there and just kind of work it in. But I'm going to go ahead and use two hands, so just throw some on the filter itself and put some in your hands, and then just work it in. Knead it like you would dough. Alright, so once you're done kneading it in, it'll look relatively uniform. So this actually goes inside of that, and then the rubber clamps on the outside of that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there, and I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. So grab your sweet laser iridium. I already pulled the other one out. There's the new one. I like a nice little wobbly extension. And this is a 5/8. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw this in there, and I'll be right back. Okay, once that is on there, you fish your wire back down in there and push it on, and that part's done. So go ahead and put this on the right way. So that goes towards the back. It actually holds what holds the filter. Okay. So then put that back on, and on the right rear is your battery, and it is a 14BS. I have a new one coming. It's not here yet, so I'll be back as soon as that thing's here. Okay, so on the right side of your four-wheeler, right there is your oil filter. And then about this area underneath, there is your drain plug. So if you get underneath, right here's the back of your footwell, and it's right there. It's 17 millimeter, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and loosen that and drain some oil. So there's your drain plug. As you can see, there's quite a bit of oil in that thing. Alright, go to the other side. That's your fill. That's your dipstick. There is supposed to be a plate on there, but obviously this one's missing. So, fill's right there. Dipstick's right there. Should take between 3 and 4 quarts. I'm seeing conflicting information, so I'm going to start with 3 and check it. Alright, so here's the oil filter. And that's right there. So we're going to pull that off quick. Okay, that bolt comes out, and then you can just pull that cover off. Don't lose your spring. And go ahead and pull out your filter and open your new one. There's your new filter. Goes in there like that. And you can put this on. Okay, there we go. And that is a 12 millimeter. So come to this side. Here's your oil. This is where you fill it. And that's where you check it. Throw your funnel in there. Grab 3 quarts of something like this. That's your 3 quarts. Put that in there and check it. We're a little over right now, but we haven't ran it yet, so we should be good. There you have it. It's pretty easy to do on this thing. So, any questions, shoot me a comment, shoot me a message, whatever. But like, subscribe, share us. Deuces.